Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Anika and I post video about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. If you feel something interesting in my channel, please subscribe my channel and consider to hit notification down below. You will be updated and first to know if I uploaded new video every single week. You know guys, Louis Vuitton has come out with a brand new packaging in August 2016. The iconic chocolate brown packaging replaces to a lighter color. It's a bold yellowish tangerine orange color with vibrant royal blue ribbon. What I love in Louis Vuitton, you can always go to their shop and ask for boxes. I enjoy the new boxes over the old one. Today, I am so excited unboxing my recent purchase of the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26. It's all about how I got it. This hard-to-find pouch, sold-out Louis Vuitton iconic pouch, and I will let you know why I purchased this. I guess I can say I am lucky, though I had a hard time looking this pouch, Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26. I've been to a different branches in Toronto just to get this iconic pouch. I was successful in going to the shop and I found it there. This is the only piece left here in entire Canada. Apparently, Louis Vuitton is discontinuing this Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26, and I am so lucky enough that I got one thanks to a friend who encouraged me to buy this pouch. So guys, let's get into this bag. As you see, the dust bag are slightly lighter in color than the previous one. They are more cream colored, while the previous leaned towards in yellow. Because it is very versatile, and you can use this for your intended purpose. You can use this for your toilet pouch and a clutch. It holds many items. This pouch is a great investment because of the price point. The retail of this pouch is under $1,000 and depending on the size or canvas, it ranges below $500 to $800. This is very affordable and it's a good deal. The details around, you can see the canvas. The front is right side up and the back is upside down. The side of the back, there's also a piece of canvas. So this pouch has only one zipper opening, and it has a Louis Vuitton pull tag, and at the end of the zipper has this print of Louis Vuitton Paris, France. This is actually my first Louis Vuitton Toiletry pouch, and I don't regret getting this because I really love this canvas. And besides, this is a hard to find item from Louis Vuitton. Guys, if you think getting this bag, I highly recommend it. It's timeless, durability is perfect, super easy to maintain, and the size is just okay because it's not too small, it's not too big. I really love this because it's super easy to grab and go. Another thing, this pouch is very trendy today, and I am so happy and it feels so great that I got this because I know I will use this and serve this for a purpose. So I guess this is it for today, guys, and if you want to know how I'm gonna convert this pouch into a bag in my next video, please let me know, and you can write your comment down below. And I just hope you enjoyed watching my vlog today. And again, see you on my next video. So guys, if you love this kind of video, please hit like, and if you have time, please subscribe.